Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 98 Wellesley Road, Buckhaven. This is a really spacious, well presented 4-bedroom, 2-reception upper apartment. Off-street parking to the rear, and there's a special surprise with this property that you'll not be expecting, but it allows you to take full advantage of the gorgeous views to the rear that are completely unobstructed. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that you're getting with this property, exactly where you're situated within Buckhaven, and as always keep listening until the end for how you can get further details. So this is the entrance to your property here, number 98. So private entrance to the rear, tucked away, but just for reference so you can see where we are. So this is the outdoor space, so shared access, and then you do have allocated parking for 2 vehicles. But just for reference so you can see where we're situated, just along here. So that is your Wellesley Road just there. So you have the bed store, the Old Morelands Butchers, the taxi rank. So we're tucked away at the back here, so nice and private. And then this is your entrance. So we'll head inside and start the tour. So as soon as we come through the door on our left hand side, we have storage just in this cupboard here. And then we will head upstairs. So there's so many beautiful features with this property that I can't wait to show you. And again, not what you'll be expecting. So we come round your spiral staircase, but look at that. Straight away, we are greeted with this stained glass window. So that is just a beautiful feature, and there is more of that to come. So then we head upstairs. So you have this landing area here, as you can see, for shoes, coats and boots. Again, another look at your stained glass window. But then heading in, so you've got this really large open plan landing hallway area. So great sized, and you'll see that as we go throughout the property, really spacious. But again, another stained glass feature is above us here. Look at that beautiful stained glass. You can see all the intricate details. So there we go. So we're going to start along and work our way. So coming along the hallway, you have your master suite. So you step into this really bright, spacious master bedroom. So really generous sized. You've got plenty of windows, not only letting the natural light flood in, but it also allows you to see the view to the rear. So you can see just across there you have the Firth of Forth and beyond. Got a beautiful day-to-day as well. So that is the view from your master. You have your fitted wardrobe, so ample storage. So that is your first bedroom. Don't forget this is 4 bedrooms. Now this is the bathroom that comes off the master. So lovely contemporary finish. You've got your WC, your vanity unit. You've got that really large freestanding bath. So great sized bathroom, and then just your heated towel rail behind me just there. And I love the high ceilings of this property as well. It helps with that spacious feel. Now coming along, you then have your main shower room for the property. So again, contemporary finish, just like the bathroom next door. You've got that really large walk-in shower, so your thermostatic shower with your rainfall water head. Again with the wet wall, keeping it really contemporary. And then again your vanity unit and WC. So really generous size, lovely and contemporary. So there we go. Then coming along the hallway. So currently being utilised as a kind of music room study. But this is another bedroom. So you would easily fit a double in here because, as you can imagine, you have your piano and then your armchairs. So plenty of space within this room. Or if you don't need the 4 bedrooms, again, home office study. And again, I love the high ceilings, and you can see just on this one, you have the ceiling rose. So beautiful features throughout. We then come along to your next bedroom. You really are spoilt with the size of these rooms. Such brilliant size, so plenty of space for all your bedroom furniture. You could do further storage as well. So you can see you have your alcove there for shelved storage. Ample windows spanning right across to again allow that light to flood in. But this is a great size room. And again, you can see the features with the cornicing and the ceiling rose detail. Then your final bedroom you have is here. So as you can see, all really generous sized rooms, spoilt. So hopefully by now you're imagining how you'll make this work for yourself and your family. Plenty of natural light flooding in because it is such a bright property. And then even just obviously the detail on the doors that matches above just there. Then coming along your hallway, so you have your open plan kitchen diner. So don't forget 2 receptions with this room. So you step into this great size. As you can see, this is almost the heart of the home, having plenty of space to have the sofa, the dining table, and still you have ample cabinet and worktop space. So you have your integrated oven, hob, extractor. So you have all of this, all of the cabinet and worktop space. But then on this side here, you have even more cabinet and worktop space. And I even just love the accents with the Oxford tiles, with the contrasting worktop, lovely contemporary kitchen and plenty of space. And especially being able to house your dining table, which also does look like it extends as well. So that again gives you an idea of size, and also housing a sofa. So brilliant sized room, lovely and bright. And you can just imagine socialising and entertaining in this space. And then if you don't think you've got enough kind of cabinet and kitchen space, just behind this door here is a utility room as well. So again, you can kind of keep your mess through there in the utility space. But I just love looking down this hallway, seeing the stained glass, seeing the high ceilings, the cornicings. It's just beautiful. Then we step into your main sitting room area. So lovely and bright. Plenty of space for your living room furniture, and obviously you can see the size of that telly, and we still have all of this floor space. Again, your ceiling rose detail. So that is the inside of the property, and what I've been waiting to show you and you'll not be expecting is actually just beyond here, and we've got a beautiful day to showcase it as we step out. I mean, look at that for starters. We step out onto this balcony terrace. So completely private for your property. Then we step out here and look at this. We have a gorgeous day to really showcase it. You can see the views in the distance. Got a clear day for the 1st of 4th and beyond. And completely private, not overlooked as well. So completely unobstructed. But look at this. You have this balcony, and it is even more private because obviously that is your bedroom just there. So there's nobody looking onto you while you're on your terrace. That's obviously your living room. But you've got space here for an outdoor seating area. But isn't this just beautiful? You can just imagine yourself sitting here, whether it be your morning coffee, whether it be an evening drink or your meals. On a day like today, it's absolutely beautiful. Sun trap as well, and as we're tucked at the back off the main road, it's really peaceful and quiet. But look at that. Stepping out here every day, you will definitely not get bored of that view. Just beautiful. And I am sure you were not expecting to get that with your property. So let's have a recap of number 98. That was the personal property tour for 98 Wellesley Road, Buckhaven. As you've just seen, a beautifully presented 4-bedroom, 2-reception upper apartment. Beautiful features throughout with the stained glass windows, the ceiling rose, the high ceilings. You've got those 2 really generous sized contemporary bathrooms, the open plan family kitchen diner, which is perfect for socialising, the 4 really generous sized bedrooms, one of which is of course that master. Then you get to step out onto this private terrace that is allowing you to take full advantage of those unobstructed views to the rear across the 1st of 4th. Completely private sun trap also, while still being situated right within walking distance to all your local amenities, as you have the convenience store, the taxi rank, the hairdressers. We're also in the catchment for Buckhaven Primary School, the Leven Academy. In terms of commuting from this location as well, you have the bus stop which can connect you with Kirkcaldy, Glenrothes, or the opposite direction to Leven. And of course within Leven now we have the train station for further commuting to Edinburgh and beyond. So everything on your doorstep, a beautifully presented property. Now if you want to get the value of this or further details, you can click the link, message me directly, or alternatively you can call the team on 01333 421 774. So fit at 5 Properties. Take care.